Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to carve a rectangle in Photoshop step by step. Apply step 1, create a new layer, shape mode rounded rectangle, then use radius 14 or 15, then draw a rectangle. And step 2, use manually carve, draw a rectangle tool, then press Ctrl T, see this carve manually. OK, or customs, arcs, and path selection, click the pen tool, right click at anchor point, click anchor point, then move anywhere. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.